everything, and then I'm gonna do science. You need 1 empty bottle, water with food coloring, and olive oil. Let's start off with a bottle of water with
Here, hold the bottle. Comes kind of fast out of there. Okay, how much water do you want?
all of that.
It's gonna be too much. Okay, that's a good amount.
And now we'll take the olive oil. Oh, and pour it in.
Okay, that's enough.
Can I put it in a bowl?
No, put a top on. And explain what happened now. What happened in there? Explain what
Can
happened.
I put water? It was pretty fun, but
Explain what
did we
happened.
mix it up? No.
See what happens if you shake it up. And then what happens? Let's watch. Okay, why don't you set it down a second? Let's see what happens. What's happening in the bottle?
Oh no.
We'll see in a minute. Why don't you get the other bottle that you did earlier?
I did this or last time to make them even.
Wait, hold on. Put this one so it could settle a minute. Now look what's happening here. What's going to the bottom?
And blue.
The blue is going to the bottom, and what's going to the top?
The green.
Right, the green is in the middle, and the yellow, the oil, is going to the top. Remember what that's called? That's because there's different densities. And what happens in this one? What did you put in there to make it more fun?
Toys. You could always put toys in my left.
If your mother lets. What toys do you have in there?
A dinosaur and some beads.
Oh, excellent.
Bye. Have a nice time. Have a nice time. Try to put a like in the video. Bye.